Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. An old man. We're doing an air. I love doing air fryer reviews. So full disclosure, I did get sent this from the JoyOuce people. I'm really bad at pronouncing that stuff. But this is a 5.8 air fryer, folks. It comes with everything you see here. You got some instruction manuals. You got a basket. You got a high heat pad there, and then you've got the 5.8 quart air fryer. I tell you, let's take a look at it on Amazon. Let's go through the features. Let's cook some chicken on it. All right, so there it is on Amazon, 5.8 quart, 1700 watt. It is on sale right now. You get $14 off, so 114 bucks right now. Anything that's right around 100 bucks for our 5.8 air fryer, I say is a good deal. They have this white, and then they have the black too, if you like that better. But nothing else really to say about it. Let's plug it in and take a look at it. All right, got it plugged in there. You can see you've got a menu. So there's temps right there, and you can increase them, decrease them, so like that. And then it's high, appears to be 400 degrees. And you can set the minutes right there too, so 20 minutes. And then you've got preheat. You've got so all different settings there you can do. And to turn it on, you just... Right now it shows the fan going, it shows it's... So as far as noise is concerned, it's about as loud as a typical air fryer. I don't see it any louder than any other ones. I don't see it any quieter than any of them. But I'll tell you what, I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to wash it out real good. Remember, always do that. And then if you're wondering, it always turns out when you pull out, and that's the inside right there. You've got an inner and an outer basket. Here's your inner basket. Here's your outer basket. So we're gonna wash things up real good. We're probably gonna run it for about a good 10 minutes on high before we put any food in it. Just if there's any oils or anything on there, just to burn everything out, because I don't want to get that into my food. Get it nice and hot. And then put our chicken legs in, give you a look-see. All right, while we're doing the burn off here, it does come with a cookbook. You know, it's got a lot of nice stuff in it. And then you do have an instruction manual. And it's written pretty decently. It's got some setting charts, tells you what to do, cleaning and maintenance. Let's see if we can find the let's see if we can find maintenance. Yeah, there's the warranty right there. Looks like it is full 1 year from the date of purchase. That's pretty standard. And there we go, if you want to read about it in another language. So let's get them chicken legs going. All right, ready for the chicken legs in there? I'm just gonna put 2 in there. You can probably get 8 in there if you really make them tight, but 6 is a good rule of thumb for chicken legs, how many you can get in this 5.8 quart. And remember, if you're dealing with chicken, make sure you wash your hands real good, soap and water. Put it in, put it in. And then we're gonna turn on, and then remember, folks, if you watch my channel, you know that I always cook at the highest setting, which on this one is 400. And then we're just gonna go to our, what am I doing here? There, 400, and then there we want time. No, we want time. Oh, time's over here. Gosh darn it. Sorry about that, folks. 20 right there. It's a new one. You got to get used to the different buttons. Oh my gosh. All right, now that's it. I'll give you a look-see in 20 minutes. All right, I know I said we'd show you at 20 minutes, but at 10 minutes, I can hear it cooking in there, sizzling real nice. So let's take a quick look-see, shall we? Oh, look at that. Rounding up really nice. So we're just gonna kind of turn that over and put her back on. This might be done in 20 minutes. So that's cooking really nice. All right, just 15 minutes. Take a look-see. Yeah, that's done. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so we're gonna let this cool off a little bit and give you, yeah, both sides are done. Nicely done. So let this cool down a little bit, give you a look-see. All right, there's our chicken legs. That was 15 minutes. I was very, very impressed with that. So let's, oh man, I'll tell you what, Love chicken legs. Absolutely delicious. Air fryer makes the best chicken. Chicken legs, chicken wings, my favorite way. Thumbs up, leave a comment, folks. Does this thing work? Yeah, it does. Leave the link down below on Amazon. It's a great deal right now. Thanks for watching, folks.